Hey! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, just go into Settings, now choose Connections and tap on Bluetooth. Following that, click on this switcher to activate it and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. And in order to continue, select Pair in this pop-up. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request, and as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can always do that by selecting this gear icon next to Pair the device, clicking on Unpair at the bottom left corner, right corner, and choosing Unpair. If you wish to connect to the same one, just click on it and follow all of those instructions one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!